So hello guys, welcome to my two video series of how we can enable the gallery feature in your website. In previous video, you can see that we are enabling this feature, this gallery feature into your website. This is called as Lightbox. Okay. So in this video, we are more interactive with database and we are using PHP for interaction. Okay. So here you can see that I am created one database, and in here I am created one table called as gallery, and I am also inserted some images into a database. So how we can you insert images into database by using PHP? I'm also created one PHP image CRUD operation series, so you can also refer to that series. So talking about this video, so how we can fetch the images, okay, dynamically from this page, okay, that images, okay, how we can fetch and displaying it in that Lightbox. Okay, so let's start coding. So go back to your editor. your you can see that the previous code. So we are dealing with the dynamicness. Okay, so just delete that. Okay, first of all, you need to connect this document to database. So this is simple database connection. Here I'm referring to one database. Okay, so okay, how we can fetch from database images from database. Okay, let's start. Just opening and closing PHP. Okay, this is similar to fetching any data from database. Okay, so just write query, select all from, select all from database name gallery, or table name gallery. You can see that this table name gallery. Okay, okay, then run the query. So my SQLi query run, SQLi query, my SQLi query. This function is used to run the query. Okay, this needed two parameters. First of all is connection variable, this variable. Okay, another one is query variable. Okay, we are checking if the record existing in database is more than once. So if MySQLi fetch MySQLi number of rows, and this require one parameter, query run object, variable is greater than 0, then we run rest of it. So this query return a result in the form of arrays. So we are using loop, in our case while loop, MySQLi fetch or fetching records, MySQLi fetch associative array. This needed one parameter, the query run variable, opening it, closing it. So this time to divide PHP, just close PHP and open new PHP tag here. So also we are, if the record is not found in the database, so we echo the message record not found. Okay, so just got here and paste in last. So this is static. Okay, so how we can include the PHP here? So just type like me. So here we are referring to as reference to image tag. Okay, image. Here you can see that this is my main. Okay, and here I am created one folder called as image. So this is image. So we are using PHP, so how we can fetch it dynamically? Okay, sorry, we are stored in one variable called as row, and same here I am using row variable. Okay, in single quotes, row, this is array, the form of array fetching. Single quotes, we are referring image. This is a database column name. I'll show you. This is okay, this table name gallery, and this is column name. Okay, similar. Okay, okay, just close that. And here we are already at the attribute lightbox and provide one name, image img. Okay, just close that, break it. Okay, so we want to display a image. When we are clicking image, clicking on that image, so lightbox pop-up will come. So don't close the anchor tag here. Okay, so you can close here, and in between you are using the yeah, the image tag. So how we can fetch from database? So we are using PHP. Okay, how we can fetch from database image? How we can fetch image from database? So follow like me. Okay, in single quotes, create the image tag, source, double quotes. Okay, here you can see that this single quotes is referred to that. Okay, this, and this referred to the source. Okay, source. Okay, we can also include the class, bootstrap class image fluid for responsive, img fluid. So in source, okay, we are in image. Source is image. Okay, here you can see that this image folder, image, open. Okay, we are stored in one variable called as row. We are fetching by using variable row, and row uses a column name image. Okay, so we are concatenate with period sign. Okay, and here also separating with period sign, period. Okay, here we are done that. So we are using data lightbox attribute, box attribute for lightbox feature. Okay, provide any name, img. Okay, so just close here. Yeah, this anchor tag is close here. This is PHP script for fetching. This is PHP script for fetching database, fetching image from database. Okay, and this is folder name, source. This is a simple PHP syntax. Okay, we are concatenating this row array by using dot. Okay, here this finish here, and this open tag is finish here, and finally the image tag is finish here. Okay, and this PHP tag is finish here. So save it. I think it's time to run the application. Here you can see that the result, this is just example image. When we are click, we are not getting the image. So what's the problem? Okay, we are not echo this echo, sorry, we are not printing this. That means then again we are refreshing, so clicking here, you can see that the final result. Okay, so we are achieving this lightbox feature. Okay guys, let's close the demo. So here in this video I am explaining you how we can fetch image from database and display on your page dynamically by using PHP. You can confuse about how this fetch operation is done. So I am created one series, PHP image CRUD operation. You can also refer to that series. So this is the end of the mini series of how you can enable the lightbox feature or gallery feature